Keenan Allen, their best receiver and one of the best in the game. This one downfield and picked. Intercepted by Kansas City and Steven Nelson. What a start.
But Steven Nelson was there to make a play on this ball, just not able to get it all the way out.
The process. Andy Reid made the deal. Alex Smith traded to Washington. Here's a handoff to Williams. Wow. Great moves to the sideline and out of bounds near the 25. Third down and 4. Mahomes out to his left, in trouble and going backward. Trying to make a play, and he does. The brilliance of Mahomes. He finds Damian Williams for a first down.
Well, the Chargers do a great job in terms of getting pressure on them, but they lose contain. They're on the outside, and with Mahomes, this is one of the most complete teams that I've certainly seen all year.
Second down and goal. Mahomes throws it for the touchdown! Unbelievable to DeMarcus Robinson.
Believe it either, because Adrian Phillips, number 31, is in his face. He's trying to get the ball to Kelsey there at the pylon, and this is it's a risky throw.